Are we together? Now let's move to the next verb, which is say. 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 Say is uga. Let's say that. Uga. Say. Uga. But to say is kuga. Kuga. I told you, in all verbs, if you want to say to do something, you'll add G-O or K-O, except in the verb say, which is kuga. This time we add K-U, kuga. Kuga. So now let's use that in a sentence. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? In Kikuyu, we'll say, ureda kuga atia. Ureda kuga atia. Let's repeat that. Ureda kuga atia. Ureda kuga atia. What do you want to say? Are we together? The next verb is get. Get. And I mean get, like go get something. Get. In Kikuyu, get is gera. 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 When we say go get something, we say the ogere. Gera. Get. So to get, we'll say kogera. Perfect. Kogera. So get is gera. To get is kogera. Let's say that together. Get is gera. To get is kogera. Nice. Note, you can say in a sentence, for example, if I am in school and I wanted to say I got 50 marks. I got 50 marks. Now that got or get, I'll get 50 marks. I'll say kogea, which is have in Kikuyu. But got or get can also be gea. I will get 50 marks. Gageana, I will get. You get? So an example in a sentence will say, she went to get her book. She went to get her book. We'll say in Kikuyu, adire. Adire kogera ifuku riake. Adire kogera ifuku riake. Let's say that again and together. Adire kogera ifuku riake. She went to get her book. Adire kogera ifuku riake. Perfect. Now we use make as a verb. Make. Make in Kikuyu is dhodeka. 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 Let's repeat that. Dhodeka. Dhodeka. So to make, we'll say gudhodeka. Gudhodeka. So make dhodeka. To make gudhodeka. Let's say that together. Make thondeka. And to make guthondeka. In a sentence, we can say, Dad is going to make a table. Dad is going to make a table. We'll say in Kikuyu, Papa ni guthondeka. Papa ni guthondeka metha. Papa ni guthondeka metha. Papa ni guthondeka metha.